Hey, how's it going? I hope you're doing good. So I got my timer on. I'm watching this Scotland and Croatia. Looks like they're just kicking off here in Mountain Time, United States. But the most important thing is I'm cooking using an oven plus microwave. Okay, so this is an item in our home that is we almost always use it as a microwave. However, it also is a smaller oven. The infomercials are heavy with the small ovens, okay? We had to adjust the internals, okay? We had to remove the glass plate, but it also rotates, okay? So I'll show. Oh, it's not. They stopped it rotating. Wait, is it off?
That's what I told you. I need you to come.
Okay. Well, we're gonna set this up. So we're going through the manual. We're reading it now. I'll show it to you here. This is the oven. I'm trying to heat up and cook some of this Costco ham, okay? And we're just going to try to make this thing work because it's a premium, expensive luxury item. Is it luxury? I don't know. Anyway, we're going to try to get this to work here. And we'll show the oven here.
We have to turn it back on.
Okay, so we got to go back to turn on. Let's open it first. Okay, so the fat in there has melted.
What you weren't supposed to do.
And it's definitely hot in there. So we're going to take this out.
Yeah, because you're not supposed to put it in until the thing is
And we're just going to simply rotate.
No, what you're going to
I'm
do
going to
now.
flip the ham.
Okay, but, Aaron.
Because this is a premium GE item, General Electric appliance item.
No, it's an
and it works to perfection.
Aaron, listen to me. You have to preheat the oven and then stick your item in, and that's what it's screwed up the whole thing.
Okay, so we're going to start it again.
Without your stuff in it.
Okay, so we're going to cancel everything. Okay, so we got the new things in there, okay? You got this black pan that's obviously non-stick and the turner in there. Okay, so let's cancel. Oven is cooling. Oh, okay, so it's got to cool.
No, it doesn't.
It says oven
now
is cooling.
set it to cook. To bake.
To bake. Okay, bake. Convection bake. 320. Okay, there we go. Yes. Preheat the oven. What happens if we say no?
I don't know.
We skip the whole thing.
No, they don't say yes. They tell you it's when it's ready.
So we just say no. We don't preheat it.
Okay.
Okay, now bake time. How long do we want?
You only want 15 minutes.
15 minutes. Okay. Okay, use oven safe dish. Okay, great. We're going to open it. Oven safe dish. Right there. Ooh. Okay. Oven safe dish. Press adjust time or start. There we go. Convection bake 320. And it's rotating. You can see it rotating in there. I gotta get a charger so I can keep this plugged in.
What?
My phone. Or can I use, no, I gotta go upstairs and get one. So I don't run out of battery. So I can stop my timer.
Yeah.
Okay.
You want it. Oh, the timer's working good. Boom.
I'm gonna go get my soda too. It's definitely got that sort of industrial cooking smell. You know, when you get the samples or something, gotta remove the glass dish here. We'll set this over here.
Yeah, that we don't want to break that.
Yeah, no, it's usually for the microwave. I'm gonna get my soda. I'm not gonna charge my other device. I got too low on battery. Here in the U.S., people like Mike Myers have done so much Scottish comedy that it's hard not to root for Scotland. We haven't done a lot of Croatian comedy, so when you hear about Scotland, you think, oh yeah, I ran in New York City a Scotland 10K race, and I got a Scotland pin from it. I don't know where that is right now at the moment, but I think I saved it. I can't remember if I did or not. It was a good race. Okay, let's see. We gotta find this.
Okay, Eric, that turntable has to be in there at all times.
The black one, non-stick.
No, the thing.
Not the glass. Oh, the metal underneath it. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Here we go. Croatia versus Scotland. Scotland almost scored. So let's see how it's looking in there.
That metal tray, there is a stand, and it's in here. And that metal tray is if you want to do 2 layers.
I can see that in there. It's cooking. That Costco ham. I'll move the cooking. It does have that smell though. Do you smell that? Kind of that industrial cooking type
Well,
thing?
it's not been used much.
Yeah. You can see it though in the video, turning in here. It's General Electric, GE appliances.
A switch of play from Andy Robertson. Again, it's losing out to the very clever, talented Mateo Kovacic. Plenty of artists in this Croatian side. The artist supreme.
What am I going to have with that? I guess I just have some
Why don't
rice.
you finish that potato salad?
Okay, I can do that.
And then don't throw the container out. Maria,
Yeah, I'll eat the potato salad with the ham.
yeah, Maria uses those to send her husband's.
The ham's only got about 9 more minutes. The phone rings off the hook.
The hospital.
So you can see it cooking in here. I might want to do more than 9 minutes. I don't know.
Hi. Yeah, where are you? Oh, is she okay?
I'll look at the chips.
Okay, well,
It's worth repeating, even though this is a solo run for all Scots. Scotland have never before
okay.
twice before at the Euros. It's hard to say that there is almost a sense of fatalism it comes to Scotland fans of a certain age, the younger ones don't know that so much. This is all brand new.
They wonder if you keep reminding them, Derek. Let's keep the conversation going.
Absolutely for now. Let's see what this game gives both countries, Croatia and Scotland.
At some point it's about to happen, isn't it? We're better than on home turf.
And again, steering it out to Stephen O'Donnell. An interesting tactic for dealing with Jack Grealish the other night. He spoke about it. He said he got advice from John McGinn, one teammate of Grealish. And the advice was, flatter him, tell him that like his hair and his calves, and that's exactly what he did. Seemed to have the desired effect. Vlasic. Modric. Two sides with very different approaches. Vida. Rabiot will be moving to the Bundesliga after this tournament to play for his new club, Leipzig, coached by the American Jesse Marsh. See where the Scotland pressing line is. Kovacic. Nekovic tried to knock that one on, win something with Vlasic, but it's David Marshall. Forward, the Scotland hero. The penalty shootouts.
You watch a lot of Croatian football, haven't they, at top level over the last 20 plus years, and I think they're very much a mood team collectively. Not often now you get 2 or 3 players who set a different tempo of a slightly different agenda to the majority. It tends to be very collectively organised and equal in many ways.
Here's Tierney. It's a good feed by Armstrong. Melted forward by Dominic Livakovic. Mark Tierney will get forward from his defensive position. Was missed in the first match against the Czech Republic here. Sort of a niggling injury.
I suspect him and Andy Robertson, the Liverpool full-back, to dovetail quite nicely. I expect Robertson to be further forward all game, save his energy on occasions, and give the incoming right back for Croatia, Juranovic, a different look. And they've just settled into their rhythm without really looking threatening in the final third at the moment. Nice to see them actually in their famous Czech shirts, isn't it, Darren?
It's one of the trademarks. Into the goal in the Czech Republic England game. Raheem Sterling has scored it for England. Would give England victory in the group, which you don't necessarily want. Something like that. Put you on a collision course with team from the Hammer Group.
Wow.
Nicely weighted pass. Adams. And O'Donnell was arriving into the grateful grasp of Livakovic. Croatia and Scotland not too bothered about what's happening in the other game because they know it's immaterial. It's all about winning this one and propelling themselves into the round of 16.
Yes, focus 100% on their match now. Absolutely no need for a mixed message. I said earlier on in the last couple of days, no need on match day.
Oh! What they call? He tried to go back around the side, but the guy, the Scottish defender fell down. So you tried to cut back around and get the ball. It's a tough move. In the World Cup, Croatia had a couple of guys that were pretty old, or looked old. I don't know if they still play for the Croatian team or not. I haven't seen many of the games. I don't really know anyone on the Scottish team right now. I'm trying to think. Because I mean, if I was looking at, you know, the FIFA game on Stadia, I could probably point some out or something, but I don't know if that the guy I was using in the mobile game has any is trying. I can't remember what his name was right now. Just right off the top of my head, I can't remember.
That was quick thinking by the Scotland keeper.
But I improved him quite a bit. He ended up being a good striker.
Brozovic having the ball on a try. Sorry, the turf's a little bit greasy, and as a result, it's slipping. It's the first time the defender, actually a player on the pitch, has committed himself, not been able then to get their studs. Stuck in the turf in the.
I can't remember his name. Why can't I remember it?
It's been done with a very clever through ball. Good position for David Marshall.
This probably would be a really good item for mac and cheese too.
David Marshall has been seen as that.
Mac and cheese in the oven.
By Patrick Schick here at Hamden. Almost from the halfway line.
I'm going to take it out and look at it. The thing I got to remember is because the microwave, I'm so used to the microwave, I forget to use the hot pads right here. It's got about 2 minutes left. Oh, Croatia scored. Modric, is that his name? He's good. I don't know who scored though.
That's a smart goal from Nicola Vlasic. But it's probably very from Scotland on the far side, as in O'Donnell. He's surely got to be aware that Perisic is behind him. That's not enough in terms of defending, in terms of.
No, it's good.
Too easy.
Two passes there.
Perisic.
Heads the pass and kicks it in. That's good. That's tough to defend against. Because you think head ball is going right for the always go for the goal, but he passes it back to the center, or not direct center, but to a teammate. Teammate kicks it right in. Okay, we got under a minute here. It's going to go right up here. I'll show you how if it's good or not. I might bring it right here, actually.
For Croatia, here. I mentioned earlier, they never beaten Scotland. What sort of response will that elicit?
And this has got to be turned down.
This is the video played the second time. Croatia are going to have the lion's share of possession. The Scottish players and the fans are going to have to show their limitations. They've accepted that, haven't they, since Steve Clark has taken charge of the national team.
8 seconds. We're going to take a look at it, see if I flip the ham and it goes back in maybe for another 5 minutes. Okay, what does it say? Check for doneness. All right, that's what we're going to do. We're going to check for doneness. Oh, it is hot in there. And it is bubbling. So we'll set it right here. I'm not going to close it just yet. I'm going to flip this. I see a lot of different bubbling on the top of this. It's a little bit different than the other convection oven. We're going to flip this here. And we're going to check. We want to go back in for about another couple minutes or so. Okay, maybe about 7 or 8 minutes. I think I'll do 8 minutes. So it's going to go back in. We checked for doneness. We want some of this other fat in there to cook. Okay. Oven is cooling. Okay, so we're going to go back to bake. Convection oven, 320. I like that 320 temp. No preheat. And we're going to go, that's high. We're going to go to 8 minutes. Start. Okay. There we go, 8 minutes. There's a little bit of bubbling on top. I'm not exactly sure what that is. 8 minutes might be a little too much. I don't know yet. And I'm going to get the potato salad ready so I can prepare it on a plate here.
Major international tournaments. Brozovic for Juranovic. Modric takes over. Trying to get a few passes together again,
certainly wasn't. Croatia brave at the far post. McGregor's a little bit late to get back. Looks like that ball is run away from there. There goes. The time really. We was the super clear contact. But told me everything about it. But accurate enough to beat David Marshall could do nothing about it from that range. Another state of affairs.
I'm not going to use a spatula.
It's the final game for these two countries in the section in Group D. 12,000 in attendance, reduced capacity here at the National Stadium and the Park in Glasgow. They do have a certain calmness on the ball, Croatia. Leave it for Scotland to run them on it. Modric from a flight.
Getting everything I can out of this bin, of this Reese's potato salad. I think it's also from Costco. I don't actually know though. Maybe it's not.
Standing up to it, Modric. Trying to get Marshall something to contemplate. Marshall the decision to go his way. Looked like he got a touchdown, Marshall.
Oh, he sent it right towards the goalie. It goes high again, man.
Well, they've actually cut back off the crossbar.
So we got pretty much as what I could get out of there. Some people can do a lot higher than that, cleaning almost everything out. I, for one, cannot for some reason, but it's fine. Got about 5 minutes left. I'm going to sit here, have a sip of this soda, and watch more of this soccer match. Maybe have a little bit more chips. Oh, that's too many. It looks like it's stuck in there.
Modric is taking his
Why is it stuck?
taking his time, isn't he? Choosing his moments to actually look further forward. He likes to play this quarterback role. And the Lloyd is giving the opportunity just to pick the ball off his back four, nice and easily, but found himself, especially with that shot a couple of moments ago,
It's got to recenter.
too far outside the Scottish box.
Hey, Mom,
I'd be more concerned about
there's a problem with the spinning in the oven.
to be honest, Modric is not going to hurt you too much from running on the halfway line, as good as he
There's
is.
a problem with the pan spinning in the oven.
For Vicky.
Well, I got 4 minutes left.
I'm sure was going to go by Dykes. And Armstrong.
There's a problem with it spinning.
Bit of a heavy touch.
Okay, you move, and
I didn't move it.
and isn't the food done?
No.
Sure.
Okay, what's the problem with it?
The food is done.
Okay, there. I centered it
The
again.
food is done. Okay?
I don't think the food's done.
I think the food is done. It looks done.
Well, that's a big chance for John again. He just stopped that ball, the ball in the end. Some more conviction, put your foot through it. There was a siphon in the end. Was steady self, control that ball. And then you've got a chance to bend it around the goalkeeper. And that's a timid effort. That's a poor effort. Completely unchallenged. Just panics. This is a good header for that. It's good Lovren as well to get across. That ball's out anyway. That would have been ball back, you'd imagine. Jadam Jordan to get himself inside the post. And that would have been a straightforward header. The grinder, Euro 2020 continues on Wednesday, the conclusion of Group E, Slovakia against Spain on ESPN, Sweden, Poland, ESPN 2, coverage from 11 a.m. on ESPN 2 with both networks together at 11:30 a.m. Eastern, and all the matches live on the ESPN app. And that's what happens when Scotland actually just employ a semi-press. It wasn't actually too aggressive. They just forced them into each other goals into a mistake. Perisic. And it comes to Modric. Trying to slide that one through. Here's Armstrong.
Again, just showing too much on the whole. His opponents.
Steady influence there here in the middle of the park.
Anthony Gilmore, who is remarkably proficient in terms of keeping the ball, but not available.
I gotta get one more Dr. Pepper.
Going to isolation after testing positive for COVID. So Stuart Armstrong, no replacement.
The season observers will be doing all October. Really works in London.
It's in on Alex and a yellow card. And Wood was self-inflicted, really. It wasn't still passing at the back from Croatia, and then this lunge by Lopez, yellow card.
He was so short.
About a minute and a half left.
Swinging through the ball. I actually don't think there was a great amount of contact, was there, Trey Adams?
That's going to mean that he'll be out for the next game, should Croatia progress. So Duya Chaleta Tsar very likely to begin the next game if Croatia move forward.
I wouldn't be happy with my teammate, Fabio. I don't think it was Juranovic who maybe not slowly sloppy back pass.
Yep, it was Juranovic, their right back, and here's Armstrong with the Scotland free kick. McTominay, there it goes to Livakovic. Goes for Dinamo Zagreb, the Croatian champions. Not Vlasic, the goal scorer, is the player on the ground here at Hampden. See what happened to him, Emma.
McTominay comes in, elbow in the back of the head, and that Burton got in next to him. Now, not sure what's wrong with this head from Scott McTominay. That nobody in the blue
All right.
is running across the face of the goalkeeper. That's probably more than a 75% chance of that ball is heading towards goal.
Just about done.
Inactivity in the final third. In the penalty area in particular, that's
All right.
responders in recent matches. No real threat, no real feel for
All right, so it's bubbling.
closing there.
You can see that bubbling there.
Great header from Perisic.
Goes right here.
Just he's coming under pressure. Vlasic gets that ball away, just sets himself at a touch, sits down nicely, slightly in front of him, almost forced him ready to lean into the ball. Good technique to keep it down.
And here's an ominous note.
Put this here, and now we're gonna pour that ham, juice and fat, all on top.
Never gone on to score themselves. They scored in 2 of the 8 previous games at Euro tournaments. Vlasic, as you can see,
Close this and off. Okay. This is gonna go over here. And they need to get a sharper knife.
we've seen that now from both fullbacks in Croatia.
Then we're gonna rotate this. Just make sure you can see me there.
Here's McGregor. Stephen O'Connell.
All right.
Rogers was waiting in the middle. Tierney. Robertson. Turning the
I want a little bit of pepper. I somehow feel like a little bit of pepper.
the Dykes.
But I'm gonna take a bite first.
Sidestepping
So,
O'Connell.
and they were good.
Brozovic.
Tastes pretty good.
Underhelped into win.
Okay, Sabrina, I think they're done with my yard, and I'm gonna go out and see if they want a drink. Okay. I will. All right. Yeah, bye-bye.
Back to Livakovic. Somebody World Cup scored in 2018, but didn't make a single appearance. Robertson. We go from back to front. Use Shea Adams.
That's not a particularly friendly ball from Andy Robertson. Too much that Adams could do with that, except to try and flick it up. Banks wasn't on the same page as his number 10.
And 30 minutes announced. Nikola Vlasic. But the one goal of record at the moment, it would put Croatia through. And a clean elimination for Scotland. Flag is up here. We're great to have you with us, wherever you are. It's the most resonant football occasion for Scotland in well nigh a quarter of a century.
It looked like there was a little
And Scotland behind.
tube in the fat of the ham,
O'Donnell.
but
He really is the Scottish everyman, if you like. The glamorous footballer.
in fact, I'm pretty sure there's a little tube in the fat of the ham from Costco. It's a Carver ham. Another one here.
As far as Vlasic is concerned. Croatian players have all been self-critical. It's not just in this tournament, it's a bad run going back several months. 8 defeats in 15 games. Brad Hanley is going to be looked at here. Scott McTominay just making his way in to see what's going on with regard to Hanley. A chance for us, Evan, to reflect on what we've seen so far in the opening 32 minutes and Croatia in front.
Pretty much what I would have expected, to be honest. Fast start from Scotland, I expected that with the crowd behind them today. And unless they got that early goal, and they were always going to be in trouble in terms of possession. And of course, Croatia have just been able to build up a bit of a head of steam. The goal came not quite out of nothing. It was certainly were the better side. But it's the manner in which it appeared that would have disappointed Steve Clark and the troops. Certainly disappointed me. Since then they've hopped and they've popped. It looks alright, doesn't it, Hanley?
And Scott McKenna at the ready. Just in case.
I actually thought he was a head injury to begin with, but looking at his knee, so maybe something a lot more severe than we thought.
Yeah, they're going to make the personnel change. So Hanley, now 29, he played in the 2 games against Croatia in 2013 as a 21-year-old. First taste of the Euros for Scott McKenna. A big powerful defender from Kiribati. Came through the Aberdeen Academy. I remember watching him make his very first.
Have a sun chip.
Against Hearts in 2016. Plays for Nottingham Forest now. They joined last September.
Try a little bit of this other fat.
Right in the middle of that pack.
Actually pretty good.
Where Hanley was before. Dykes. Australian born.
I could try to render fat in there, which is maybe what I'm going to try to do. But my mom said it was getting so hot.
So I feel 100% Scottish, always have. Thanks to his parents. McTominay. Just left by Adams, hoping that Dykes would get there. Modric was patrolling that sector of the pitch. And straight away, activity for McKenna. Wow, yellow card. Just seconds on the pitch. Well, that's not going to steady his nerves at all.
Absolutely not. They both miss the ball, don't they?
And he's just got to remain composed.
Akovic lost control of it to begin with, then it was a 50-50. They both missed it, probably a little bit wary of each other's challenge.
%68% of the possession with Croatia so far. Even still in terms of attempts on target. Vlasic. Perisic. Going to put the window on O'Donnell. Ivan Perisic, but nobody in the vicinity. Straight forward for Andy Robertson. Used to work in the corporate division here at Hampden Robertson before he became a star. when he was an amateur with Queen's Park. Of course, played his football for the Spiders here. Juranovic to throw a counter play for Croatia.
Most dangerous to Scots, haven't they, when Croatia have been a little bit sloppy and been able to counter in the middle of the park. I'm sure that's Laszlo Dalic and coaching staff have done their homework. And Scotland is strong, it's down this left side. But unless there's an element of control in the middle of the park, and there's actually danger coming from the right side of Scotland, it's going to be hard to overload Juranovic. He's come in today on this near side. Really should midfield and defence will be well set for Tierney and Robertson combination. All a little bit too hurried in the middle of the park. Too many cheap giveaways.
UEFA Euro 2020 continuing on Wednesday with the conclusion of Group F. Portugal against France, probably on ESPN, and Germany versus Hungary on ESPN2. Coverage 2:30 p.m. Eastern. Both games kicking off at 3. All Euro 2020 matches streaming live on the ESPN app. Vlasic again was waiting. It was Kovacic who tried to play that one through the Scotland defence. As is his what? Juranovic has done most things right. That one mistake that we referenced earlier, but you can see, can't you, why he was named on the side to the exclusion of Shima Versanko.
Yeah, a little bit more disciplined. Instead with Gio, Robertson and Tierney in mind.
Modric for Van Dion.
That's his favourite ball, isn't it? Look at Modric.
And we've seen it time and again. Now, Van Dion.
All right, well, that worked. I may try to use it again.
Here's Petkovic.
We had a little trouble with the
Perisic. Juranovic.
we had a little trouble with the tray holding place, but other than that, it worked. I hope you're doing good. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.
Yeah, Guardiola on that far side giving more than a run for his money. Vlasic went for that.